What are some examples of hot colors?
Welcome to our video on hot colors. In this video, we'll explore what hot colors are and some examples of them. Let's get started.
What are hot colors?
Hot colors are hues that evoke a sense of warmth and energy, often associated with heat and fire. These colors include vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows, which can create a lively and stimulating atmosphere.
Examples of hot colors.
1. Red. This color is often associated with passion, love, and energy. Examples of red shades include crimson, scarlet, and vermilion. 2. Orange. Orange is a mixture of red and yellow, symbolizing enthusiasm, creativity, and warmth. Examples of orange shades include tangerine, coral, and pumpkin. 3. Yellow. This color represents happiness, optimism, and sunshine. Examples of yellow shades include lemon, gold, and mustard. 4. Magenta. Magenta is a bold color that combines the intensity of red with the vibrancy of purple. It can evoke a sense of excitement and passion. 5. Hot pink. This color is a bright, intense shade of pink, often associated with energy, playfulness, and youthfulness.
How to use hot colors effectively.
When using hot colors, it's essential to create a balance by incorporating neutral or cooler colors to prevent an overwhelming visual effect. Some tips for using hot colors effectively include: 1. Use hot colors as accents in a room or design, rather than dominating the entire space. 2. Pair hot colors with neutrals like white, gray, or beige to create a more harmonious and visually appealing combination. 3. Consider using hot colors in smaller doses, such as in accessories or decorative accents, to add a pop of warmth and energy without overwhelming the space. Hot colors are an excellent way to bring energy, warmth, and vibrancy to any design or space. By understanding the different shades of hot colors and how to use them effectively, you can create a visually appealing and dynamic atmosphere. Happy designing!